everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about when I had to take refuge at my grandparents' house because the power went out because of the ice storm. But first and foremost, I want to say I hope everyone is recovered from that ice storm. We lost power for, let's see, went out Wednesday, I think. Wednesday, maybe Tuesday, and I went to go stay with my grandparents when I realized it wasn't coming back on, and I wasn't feeling that great to begin with. Before I went and saw my grandparents, I was having asthma issues. Asthma runs in my family. As I've said before in the previous video, I had asthma come back after like 30 years of not having an attack. But again, thank you for all that support. So I went to my grandparents so that I could stay warm and get my asthma under control. Shout out to my granny and granddad for letting me come visit. They were just excited that I came and visited because I do live an hour away from them. So they're excited whenever I come visit. And shout out to my aunt that had this cool beanie and scarf, and the scarf is put up, but this cool beanie made for me by one of her friends. I normally do not wear beanies because I have a big head, and normally they don't fit or they look really awkward on my head. But I love this beanie. It actually fits, so y'all see it in like a couple videos. I'm sorry. I just love it. It's so comfortable. And it's so pretty. It has little sparkles. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's got little sparkles. But anyway, that's not why you're here. You're here to hear about the ice storm. So a bunch of trees did fall down in my yard, and I will include this in this video. But we got all the trees removed. We got the power back on. And I took refuge at my grandparents' house, and my parents actually stayed here to make sure the power came back on and stuff. So my thoughts and prayers do go out to everyone that was affected by the ice storm of 2023. My family and I, will be honest, we were not prepared for the ice storm because we did not think the power would go out, in the sense that when we had Snowmageddon, the power did not go out for us. So right as the power went out for us, my mom and I were charging our phones. We needed to charge our phones, so we have learned, as soon as they say it's an ice storm or a snowstorm here in Texas, no matter if it's nowhere near us, we are going to make sure our phones are charged, because we ended up having to use her car charger, and her car took forever and only charged our phone to like 2%. So yeah, we were not prepared. We should have prepared better, and we will, and we are from now on. But yeah, piece of advice: when there's an ice storm, even if like you're living in Texas, like, it doesn't usually happen for us. We don't usually get ice storms, but take them seriously. Speaking from experience, take it seriously. I hope everyone else was safe. I hope everyone else's power came on. And I will show you videos and footage of the ice storm. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Bye!
Oh my goodness.